focus on personal development. I read this quote that totally changed my life when I was 20 years old. Nanggaling to kay Jim Rohn, one of the best person to talk about personal development. Sabi niya, work hard on your job, but work harder on yourself. Ibig sabihin nun that if you really want to fast track your success, then you should spend at least 80% of your time working on yourself. Naalala ko nung nagsisimula ako, eto lang talaga ang full-time ko. Eto lang ang ginagawa ko, personal development. I eat, breathe, and live personal development. And because of this one major thing, the more that you focus on yourself, the more that you develop yourself, the more value, or in terms of economic value, that you can bring to the world. So kahit anong galing mo sa trabaho mo, if hindi mo dinedevelop ang sarili mo, you will not learn the skills, the mindset, the languaging, attitude that you need to have for you to earn 6 digits per month. And this is basically the shortcut to life. If you just spend a year focusing on developing on yourself, you would have far greater returns than you spend one whole year working good on your job. Now, I'm not saying that don't do well on your job. Importante pa rin yan. But it's more important that you spend the remaining hours of your day, the remaining aspects of your life to really focus on development.